If your business accepts calls with voice AI, it very often might misunderstand your customers. Let me show you why and how to fix it at the very end of this video.
Hi, you have called the car service. How can I help?
Hi, do you guys work on Renault?
I don't have that one listed. Anything else I can help with?
So the customer asked about a car brand, but the bot said it's not listed. And the frustrating part that the LLM has done everything perfectly. The problem happened way earlier in the pipeline, and putting more instructions into the system prompt would not have helped at all. Let me show you why. When you build the voice AI, the audio goes through 3 stages. First, the audio is converted to text in the speech-to-text model, and then this text goes to the LLM where it's processed, and LLM passes this text to the text-to-speech, which is then again converted to audio and returned back to the user. And the problem lies on the STT stage, where the transcript is created. And words Renault and rental sound almost identical, and general purpose voice AI does not know that the customer was asking about a car brand, because it will understand the word that it has seen in its training data the most, and that word is rental. And it's impossible to fix this on the system prompt level. It should be fixed on the speech-to-text stage. Let me show you this side by side. So without any changes, I'm asking it,
Hi, you have called the car service. How can I help?
Hi, do you guys work on Renault?
I don't have that one listed. Anything else I can help with?
And now watch the same sentence after the fix.
You have called the car service. How can I help?
Hi, do you guys work on Renault?
I don't have brand-specific details listed, but we do have general repair services. What's the issue with your Renault?
It was same voice, same sentence, but completely different result. When creating the agent session with LiveKit, you also create the speech-to-text, and the speech-to-text exposes a key terms, which is an array of strings. And here you can pass whatever your users will actually say. So now when the user says Renault, it gets the key term Renault and knows that it actually is going about the car model. And it happens before the LLM sees a single word. So just with one array, with no prompt engineering and no post-processing hacks. So the speech-to-text model does not know your business domain. And if you wanted to get your customers correctly, you can teach it the keywords of your business. And if you found this video useful, leave likes or dislikes or comments and subscribe to my channel, and more content about voice AI is coming soon.